Minasan, konnichiwa. Welcome the new members. Miko and Haru. Miko is this one right here, and Haru is this one. How I can tell is Haru has white little paws, and Miko has black paws. So that's how we tell. Aren't they adorable? They're so tiny. Gosh, I will show you guys how tiny they are. Compared to my hand, they're tiny. I want to pick up Haru because I haven't actually held him. I've held Miko, but I haven't held Haru yet. Haru-chan. Ohayo. Kawaii ne? Yeah, I thought I'd just show you guys this. Oh god, I gotta keep the baby from touching him. Run!